Alright, how's everybody doing today? We're gonna do a review and intro video into what I'm gonna be working on next. And I'm gonna be doing this Snap Kit Max Humvee. I'm gonna be changing this into a 2-door pickup truck. I might just change it into a 4-door pickup truck. It might be easier that way. But I don't know if there's going to be a gun on top or not. I don't know. But I'm kind of just next vehicle on the war group build. But I'm going to change this one so it's civilian use. And then I'm also going to try to enter this into Pablo's group build for the Gone in 60 Seconds. Should be okay. I don't know. I'll talk to them more. But hopefully there's some cool stuff in here. I haven't opened it yet. I just took the plastic off. Alright everybody, so let's open the box. Not really sure what I'm gonna find in here. But, oh, maybe I have opened this before. Oh, looks like it comes with, camouflaged patterns, so you don't have to paint it. You can just that's kind of cool. But instructions look pretty simple. I think just off of this, I'm going to cut this from this lip right here. I'm going to cut it straight down and then have it up here. And I'm going to take all this stuff away. I'm going to move that antenna probably up here to the the front of the hood or something. But yeah, it's gonna look cool. Yeah, but the instructions look pretty simple. Yep, no glue required, but we're gonna modify it a little bit. This is actually gonna be my first build where I'm actually gonna cut into plastic too, so. But, I mean, it looks pretty straightforward. Shocks. Looks like the back of the wheels. Let's see what's the next piece. Oh, okay. So I'm going to have to figure this out because this is going to be the bed. And I'm probably going to leave this here for a tow hitch. I'm sure. Like a tow hitch or something. But I'm going to have to fill this in. So what I'm thinking is just a black, like a garage sale sign. And just kind of fill it in. Like, tape it. Maybe tape it. I don't know. I'll have to think about that. Because it... Yeah, see. Oh, maybe that's how it goes. Huh. Okay, I'm learning as I'm going here. Looks like the dash is pretty basic. I don't know if I'm going to change that or not. Cannon. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do something with the cannon. May not be a cannon, but it's definitely gonna be a car probably. Looks like maybe the front windshield and tail headlights, maybe? Probably headlights. I'm thinking about doing that whole bumper right here. Let's see if I can. Yeah, there we go. Do that whole bumper right here, or right here in chrome. And I think this is part of the cannon. Like I said, not very many parts. Oh, see, the antenna's not attached, so that'll be cool. I'll have to figure a way to... Really cool. So basically, like I was saying on the instructions, from this lip right here, I am going to cut straight down to this lip right here, and then straight back. And I dropped it. So yeah, I do like the way the back looks. Back looks pretty sweet. I don't know how I'm gonna shave this. It's supposed to be a 2-door for the Gone in 60 Seconds build that I'm doing also, but there just doesn't look... I don't know how I'm gonna fill in this door, make it flat. I just not really sure how I'm gonna accomplish that, because I don't want to cut it out and put something in its spot, and I don't want to putty it out, and I don't know. I could cut it right there and back and give it like half door. I don't know. But I don't know if I want to do that. The things you think about while you're trying to build a model. But yeah, it looks like there's 2 headlights. Like I said, looked pretty simple. Looks like it's got steel axles with screws to mount it in. Seats look very uncomfortable. I don't know if I like the wheels, but you know. And the tires are pretty generic, so yeah, I don't know. I guess we'll see what happens. Well, like I was saying, it's gonna be... The Humvee is going to be in this Gone in 60 Seconds group build. Pablo's group's supposed to have started it on April 1st. I don't know if they have or not, but I'm starting mine. And I'll talk to them, make sure everything's on the up and up. But I think I've got a good idea of what I want to do. Not really sure what color I'm going to go with this. I think the vehicle in the movie was like a bluish color. Or like a blue steel. Nah, it wasn't a green, but heck, it could have even been silver. I probably would have never known. But